So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the upcoming winter storm for Thursday into Friday. Now, a couple notes to keep in mind about the system is that it's going to start off as heavy rain, turn over to ice about 12 a.m., and then what's going to happen with this thing is it's going to change back into a mix in snow. So the thing about this system is how significant stretch. It's going to be stretching into Dallas, Texas. It's going to get snow and all the way to Quebec, Canada is going to bring Quebec, Canada. It's going to bring snow. Quebec. Yeah, Quebec. All right, Canada. It's going to bring snow. Sorry, I have a friend on the call, and he was he was correcting me there. So let's see. So they're saying this is Thursday AM hours here. We got some light rain starting to move into western Connecticut, heavy rain in New Milford, Danbury, and Ridgefield, Carmel, Summers, and Darien, Norwalk, Bridgeport, New York, and Connecticut. Let's see here. So we see this heavy band of rain starting to crouch over into Connecticut. Now here's the thing about this. Now it's gonna wash out some of the snow we already have. Now some parts of the state recorded over 2 feet, while western Connecticut, like a foot or so, and then like some parts saw like 8 to 12. So this is gonna wash out like 5 inches depending on where you are. Now don't freak out. 5 inches is not a big loss, okay? You're gonna just see for parts that you got like a foot and a half of snow. It's not gonna be too much of it's not gonna be a significant difference. You're gonna see like 6 inches still on the ground left. And then here's the thing. That ice moves in, that snow moves in, and it's going to bring in more snow than we saw before. Potentially. It's still so far out. I cannot even really forecast this at this point. But this is just a little preview of what we're talking about for Friday. I mean, for Thursday into Friday. Ice in northwest Connecticut near the Appalachian Trail. This is crazy how much of the cutoff line is for this storm. Because just a little bit above that, you could be talking about snow and a mixture of snow and rain. So the thing about this one, it's such a big difference depending on where you live. Northwest Connecticut, you could be talking about a lot of snow. While southeast Connecticut, you could be talking about about 3 to 5 potential. So a big cutoff line there. But you can see that ice moving into northwest Connecticut. Still rain for a good shoreline area. And then we got a mix in northwest Connecticut. And this ice is huge amounts of ice per hour. And this is the GFS we're talking about. So GFS is usually known for being able to forecast far range. Euro is good at close range. So they're both disagreeing a whole lot. And GFS is the go-to as of now because it's far out. Now you could see this mixed line moving in, ice in shoreline, and then this heavy snow just starts coming in here and bringing in heavy amounts per hour. And this is going to be a crazy system to watch, as you guys will see rain, and then you guys will see ice, and then you guys will see mix, and then you guys will see snow. And it's going to be a kitchen sink, keep in mind. As of now, kitchen sink. So don't be coming at me saying, oh, well, it's because we are going to be talking. This is far out, so like we can't really like get into specifics as of now, but I'm just gonna give a prediction as of now. And it's gonna change. It's gonna go up. It's gonna go down. Maybe the whole thing will be snow and ice, or maybe the whole thing will be rain. Maybe the whole thing will be nothing. But it's a good chance we see what we're looking at as of now. And sorry if this thing is freaking out. It's something with the screen recording here, and it's not the best, but it's gotta work. So you could see the snow here for most of the state, and you could see that mix down near the shore. But it's such a big difference in areas. It's gonna be hard to forecast at this point. So we could be talking about totals near to nothing down in Westerly or New London, and talking about crazy totals up in Taunton, Farmington, Bristol, New Milford, Simsbury, Enfield, and a whole bunch of other areas in Connecticut. And that's the thing we're really looking at here. We see this light snow starting to come into the state, moderate for portions of central Connecticut, going diagonally through Connecticut, while that other eastern side of Connecticut will be seeing mixed southeast, where we saw the most snow and the recent snow. So it's differing every snow storm, and it's gonna be crazy to forecast for now. But I'm saying we're gonna see about. No, I'll get into totals later. But you could see this energy band is bringing heavy snow to the entire state. Well, that's an exception for southeast Connecticut, near New London and Westerly. But still, they'll even be seeing a decent snowfall. But maybe in some areas, we might not see that. And there's still so much to determine. So, I can't even forecast it too much right now because it's going to change so much. One day I might be saying 6+ inches. The next I might be talking 0.6 plus. So that's a big difference there. And that's how much it's going to differ for now as we get these new models in. But it looks like the GFS is the go-to as of now for the system. And we're probably going to be going to that one the most throughout these days. But we see light snow for northeast, and we see moderate snow for entire state of Connecticut, except for New London and northern Westerly, which I'm pretty sure Westerly is in fact in New London. Yeah, I've been thinking that's a Connecticut town. Sorry for that mistake. But you're talking about heavy snow statewide. And we're going to talk a little bit about something called an energy band. And that's something I've been wanting to talk about for a long, long time. But we're going to quickly see heavy snow statewide. No more mix line, except for down in Long Island. We see light snow mixing in to most of the state, while the shoreline is staying at heavy snow. Now, this is where we're going to start talking about energy bands in a minute or two. And this is what's going to make this system so tremendous according to this model. Now, that's this model. There's so much to determine. I don't think we're even going to be able to get a likely forecast for the next couple of days. You could see this energy band is bringing that heavy snow back, and that's when you get enough energy in the system to bring back precipitation into most of the state. And that's the beauty of these systems. And this has the potential to be a kitchen sink nor'easter. And I'm pretty sure they might not classify it as a nor'easter due to hitting Texas with snow and Quebec, Canada with snow. It's just that big of a storm that we could see huge differences in the system. So you could see you got that heavy snow in eastern, almost nothing in northwest, but light snow for a good portion of central West Connecticut. And now we're going to get into energy bands right after we make a quick estimation here. Yeah, light snow, yeah, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Wait, not yet, not quite yet. Okay, so now you can see that light snow taking over most portions of the state here. And then we see down near Clinton, you guys are going to get some moderate snow as of this hour. I don't even know what hour this is. This is Friday, like Friday night-ish, I'm pretty sure. But, yeah, there's so much to determine according to these models. Now is when we get to talk about one of my favorite things in weather, the energy band. Look here. We got that heavy snow starting to go back up, and this is what we call an energy band. Now, an energy band is when the system gets enough energy from the system, and it grabs precipitation, brings it into areas, and it just creates more heavy snow or heavy rain or whatever. And that's pretty amazing to watch, see happen as we look at this model. You can see that energy band just brings that heavy snow into most of Connecticut, make an exception for Litchfield County and western Fairfield County here. So yeah, those are the areas where we'll be seeing light snow at those hours. Now that energy band decreases, just bringing almost statewide light snow, while down near Branford or North Haven area, lighter snow to nothing. Norwich, New London, Westerly, Clinton, no snow at this hour, while most of the state is receiving a light snow here. And this is just showing the difference between this cutoff line. This is going to make a huge difference in the snow totals we're talking about. I kind of want to zoom forward because I'm going into so many specifics here. But you could just see here, yeah, there's snow, there's rain, there's ice, and there's everything. Almost like all of the precipitations in one. We're just missing out on hail. There is a chance. Nah, not really. It needs to be humid for that, so no hail. But you can see more snow statewide, except for I don't even know if this is a town in Connecticut. I'm pretty sure it's New London. But any areas north of Westerly in Connecticut will be seeing just snow showers like this hour. It's kind of just becoming a blocky system at this point as it starts to move out. I'm pretty sure, yeah, this is 4 a.m. Saturday. It's just starting to roll away. So now let's look at what I'm going to say for snow totals here. Now, this is according to the GFS, and I'm pretty sure we'll see anything. We could see way above, we could see way below. It's just an estimate as of now, and GFS is kind of jacking up the system. But I think, yet again, it's really good when it comes to long-range forecasts. About a week away, and it's a little less than a week away. But I'm going with the GFS for now. They're saying 5 to 8 plus question mark 2 to 4, maybe 2 to 5 down in Branford, Milford, Bridgeport, Norwalk, Darien, Stamford, Greenwich, and then in that corner near Westerly, where we saw a lot of mixing and a lot of ice and a lot of rain, we're going to be talking about 1 to 3. So let's look at the snow depth. This is currently, we're talking about like snow depth of over a foot for a lot of Connecticut. I don't think this is really accurate according to measurements across the state, especially down. Yeah, it's not really accurate. But we are going to look at predicted, and I think this is kind of jacking up the system. 18 inches in northwest Connecticut, and a lot of Connecticut under like it's the 12s to 16s. This is really jacking up the system, and I'm not really sure if this will be the correct thing. It's kind of jacking it up, but it's it's possible. And there's so much to determine. This GFS is jacking up everything here in this system. And yeah, we're talking about significant snowfall totals. Let's go backwards a little bit. I could see those darker colors. This is Thursday at 1 p.m. You could see a lot of that snow getting diminished. But you could see those heavy snows are just starting to creep its way back in. This is Friday, 3 a.m. I think this one's kind of jacking up these totals. But, yeah, we could see this is a significant snow as of this model. And they're just saying 5 to 8 on top of what we already have. So this pretty much wraps it up for this video. I wanted to say thank you for, I think we're at 87 subscribers now. And if you aren't, please subscribe. Have a great day. See you guys tomorrow with another update. Bye-bye.